Welcome everybody to week 9. This is your week at a glance, and I want you to notice that up in the top here we have a complete your mandatory October 1 survey. It's very, very important on Tuesday that you go in and you complete the survey for this class. You can find the survey if you go into materials, then you will see a October 1 survey folder. Go in there and you will find your class survey. So make sure you complete that. It has to be completed on Tuesday before 3. Your work for the week. On Monday, you're going to watch and complete lesson 2.2 on direct variation. Again, watch the lesson first before you complete the practice. And direct variation is just a form of a linear equation, and that is due by Tuesday. On Tuesday, we will have our webinar as usual at 9:30. Come prepared with any questions you might have of the material. And then again, October 1 assignment, so mandatory, must be completed by 3 p.m. on that day. It is listed under the assignments, under the materials, and it is a October 1 assignment folder. Then on Wednesday, you will watch and complete lesson 2.2a. We're going to be exploring more with linear equations and intercepts. Complete that and turn it in by Thursday. And then Thursday will be your last assignment for the week. So you'll watch and complete lesson 2.2b, and that's where you'll learn how to write linear equations from points. And you'll look at that in some different contexts, from graphs, from coordinate points, and from tables. On Friday, then, take the day to review all the feedback from the assignments you've turned in, redo if necessary. Send me a message if you have any questions. The objectives for this week: at the end of the week, you should be able to write a direct variation equation and verify whether coordinates are solutions to linear equations. Also be able to identify x and y intercepts in a graph and from an equation, as well as write linear equations from 2 points. Some tips: make sure you are watching and taking notes from the lessons prior to attempting the practices. Most lessons are under 20 minutes long, and you really need to think of that as that's your learning. That's what's going to help you to be successful to do the practices. Make sure to look at your grades and check your messages for feedback, and then redo or get help if needed. Also, double check your grades in Infinite Campus, and just know that you must get through the Unit 1 final exam in this course, otherwise your grades will be impacted in the next week. So, the end of the quarter 1 is here. Hopefully, if you need any help, this week would be the best week to do that, and then you have next week to finalize.